Folks, black women leaders and others took to the Supreme Court today to express their thoughts on Congress passing bills protecting reproductive rights, but also voting rights. The Black Women's Coalition, the Black Women's Roundtable, they were involved in that. We live streamed that particular event as well. Here's some of what took place at today's news conference.
We have to demand that Congress pass federal legislation to protect the right to vote and the right to choose. Yes. Right now, we're at a critical juncture in our fight for justice. As state after state passes laws to restrict the right to vote and restrict reproductive rights, it's clear our democracy and our bodies are on attack. At the same time, we're also fighting against a Supreme Court that is hell-bent on destroying Roe v. Wade, as well as our nation's most consequential voting rights legislation, the Voting Rights Act of 1965. For me, the fight for voting rights is very personal. Growing up in Selma, Alabama, no one had to tell me about Amelia Boynton Robinson. No one had to tell me about the foot soldiers that fought for justice and gave themselves, their blood, sweat, and tears, and many died for the right to vote. Old battles have become new again. Surely we thought that our mothers had already fought for reproductive rights and won. Yes. Surely we thought that the foot soldiers had fought for the right of every American to vote and won. But we know old battles have become new again. We see over 400 laws just this year being introduced in state legislatures across this nation, trying to restrict the right to vote. And we say no. We say on the foot of the Supreme Court, no, hell no, we're not going back.
And of course, it's Congresswoman Terry Sewell of Alabama. Of course, she is from the Black Belt there, where so many civil rights battles were actually fought.
Back to our Roland Mark Unfiltered video in just one moment.
All right, folks, CEEK.com is a black-owned company founded by Mary Spiel. It's a virtual reality company where you can actually go there, look at their virtual reality content. A couple of devices they actually have for sale that you might be interested in. First off, their VR headset allows for you to slide your phone right in and experience that virtual reality content on their site or watch a 360-degree video. Also, there are 360-degree headphones, tremendous bass, used for gaming, Bluetooth, phone calls, you name it. Folks, you can get these two at CEEK.com using this promo code RMVIP21, RMVIP21. You buy one or the other, or even both, a portion of the proceeds come back to us here at Roland Martin Unfiltered. And so we want you to check out CEEK.com and give it a try.